That would be myself. How can I help you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing all right. I can't complain. So we are a local member, and we do like full service janitorial cleanings for apartments and property, whether it's daily upkeep or one time, and they're all handled in house. We were just reaching out. He could provide you with a competitive quote sometime within the next. He also brings one of our demonstration sample cleaning kits just to show how we handle those common cleaning.
Yeah, sure. I'm up for a bid.
Perfect. All right. Give me 1 second here. Let me pull this up. You said your name was like, oh, I am so sorry. I completely misheard that. All right. And what was your last name? Okay. And you said you are the property manager.
Yes.
All right. And are you guys, do you already have a partner that you're fixing to contract out with, or are you just don't have one right now and you're just looking for a new one?
So we currently are under contract with someone. So, I mean, it probably wouldn't be until next year that we would honestly be changing anything at this point.
Yeah, that's fine.
But, I mean, I'm always open to getting bids, and if I get it now, then I can, think on it and
right, get ahead of the game. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's why we reached out and like to try to help with that. And one thing about us is we do schedule the cleanings based on the property's needs. We also, like, all of our staff is W-2 and not subcontracted. And like I said, whether it's ongoing cleaning or just helping get a property move-in ready. What's a good email to kind of send that reminder over to?
Yep. They don't ever make it easy.
Oh, no, I've actually set a couple of appointments with a couple of other. I will say, whoever it is that manages it has a lot of companies. I gotta say it. It's like everywhere you go, you've either got it seems to be like the two most popular. All right. And then you said you are currently under contract, but you're trying to get ahead of the game. Now, when you choose your vendors, do you prefer a more local accountable team instead of a rotating crew from a franchise?
Yes. Yep. And we currently have a really local group right now. So, so yeah, local is definitely.
Yeah. And like I said, we are part of the Housing Association. We're also a trusted partner with the Chamber of Commerce as well.
Okay.
So what do you say? Let me verify the address real quick. That's going to be at, all right, perfect. Done. And then what do you say we shoot for probably about the same time next week? Does that work for you, or do you prefer something more in the afternoon? Like what?
Nope. I mean, could we do like 10 a.m.?
Yeah, absolutely. All right, so that's going to be the 23rd at 10 a.m., and that is correct. Yep, Central. All right, just making sure I got all my T's dotted and my I's crossed here. All right, yep, looks like I have everything I need, so we'll go ahead and get this submitted over. So that he's going to see you next week on the 23rd at 10 o'clock in the morning.
All right, sounds good.
All right, so have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.